Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Multan Public School and College, Multan. Class O Level 10, Subject Computer. Teacher's name Muhammad Qasim Qureshi. Programming Concepts. Introductions. Previous chapters have enabled you to develop your computational thinking by writing algorithms to perform various tasks. This chapter will show you how to put your computational thinking to the ultimate test by writing computer program to perform tasks. So far you have tested your algorithm by dry running. Once you have written a program for your algorithm and when you are no syntax errors, you should then use a computer to will perform the task exactly as you have written it. You may need to make some changes before it works exactly as you intended to it. Programming. You learned that programs should be written in high or low level languages, then translated and run. Will introduce you to programming concepts required for practical use of a high level language. There are many high level languages to choose from. Computer science, any high level language programming may be used. However, if you can plan to continue your studies in A level computer science, then one of the Visual Basic, Pascal and Python is recommended. Many programming languages are free to download and use. The use of programming should be used in conjunction with learning the syntax of appropriate programming languages. Data items is to be processed by the algorithm are given meaningful names in the same ways that variables and constants are in a high level programming language. Pseudocode is not bound by the strict syntax rules of a programming language. It does what it means to ensure that the pseudocode is easily understandable by others. It is useful to the consistency in the way that is written. Program developed in this chapter will be illustrated using the following freely available languages. Number 1 is Scratch. Scratch is a good basic introduction to programming for beginners that is freely available from MIT. Scratch makes programming easy and fun to learn as it uses visual building blocks. It is useful as an introduction. Number 2, JavaScript. A scripting language that works in any browsers, no download needed. JavaScript works with the HTML. Number 3, Python. Python is a general purpose open source programming language that promotes rapid programming development and readable codes. The traditional introduction to the programming language is to be display the words hello words on a computer screen. The program looks very different. You use your book at page number 147. Scratched hello world. Python print hello world. In JavaScript, write is to be in the curly brackets HTML, then in curly brackets head, then in curly brackets title hello world. Then scripts, language JavaScripts, write down scripts, read, then close the body and HTML JavaScript. Do the activity 11.1. Have a look at the three programs and decide which program is the easiest to understand. Now, the declarations and uses of the computers, constants and the variables from your book and page number. A variable in a computer program is a named data store that contains a value that may change during the execution of the program. In order to make programs understandable to others, variables should be given meaningful names. A constant in a computer program is a named data store that contains a value that does not change during the execution of the program. In order to make a program understandable to others, constants should be given meaningful names. Not all programming languages explicitly differentiable between constants and variables, but programmers should be clear which data stores can be changed, which cannot be changed. There are several ways of doing this. For example, use of capital letters PI is equal to 3.142. Meaningful names that being with constant PI is equal to 3.142. It is a considered good practice to declare at the start of the program the constants and variables to be used in this program. Declarations are expected in programs written for the task specified in the computer science part. Now go to the example. Variable, first variable, second variable. Constant first 500, constant second 100. Or variable first value, variable second value. Constant first equal to 500, constant is equal to constant second 100. Constant need to be assigned their values when they are declared because they don't change. This is the simple program against the JavaScripts. Now you come to the next topic, basic data types. A computer system to process and store data effectively, different kinds of data are formally given different types. This enables data to be stored in an appropriate way, for example, a number or characters. Data to be manipulated effectively, for example, numbers with mathematical operators and characters with concatenations. Automatic validation in some cases. Number one type is the integer. An integer is a positive or a negative whole number that can be used with mathematical operators. Now move to the second basic data type is a real. A real number is a positive or a negative number with a functional part. Real numbers can be used with mathematical operators. All programming languages distinguish between real numbers and integers. JavaScript makes no distinction. Python does this with the use of built-in functions. Now first integer is equal to int within bracket 25. What it means? Set up an integer variable with the value of 25 in Python. First real, float 25. Set up a real variable with the value of 25 in Python language. Now the third type is the character type. A variable or a constant of type of character is a single character. Variable gender is equal to F is equal to JavaScript. Gender is equal to within quotation F or gender within double quotation F is in Python. Now you move to the last basic data type, string. A variable or a constant of a type string is several characters in length. Strings vary in length and may even have no characters. and empty strings. The characters can be letters or digits or any other printable symbols. For example, variable telephone number is equal to within quotations digit 441000120 in JavaScript. Variable first name within quotation Ima. JavaScript's variable unrepeatable within quotations JavaScript. Telephone numbers, then first number Ima, then unrepeatable this. Now do the activity 11.4. The activity 11.4 is like this. In the high level programming language that your school has chosen to use, write and run your own program that display the words hello, your name. Use a string variable to store